Here's my 4 Myna chicks. They are 3 weeks old now. Hello! 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 Nung kinuha namin ito, wala pang halos wala pang feather. Pero ang bilis nila lumaki, oh. Nice. Laki ng bunganga. Wow. Katatapos nilang kumain kanina. Kaya hindi sila gutom. Bye!